this one? This shit looks like it had fucking horses pulling this shit like a few years before this.
Yeah.
You like Disney?
I love Disney.
Do you really?
Yeah.
Look how cute.
Oh yeah. No, it's I just like
Dang. 66?
Disney World is crazy.
Yeah.
Like,
That's
it's
all
like
my
a whole
parents.
different thing.
It is.
We went there, I don't know, maybe 5 years ago with our kids, and like all the different.
Yeah.
Wow. 1941. Whoa, look at the odometer.
Yeah.
Wow.
No, we were big.
Dang. They let no bitch sit in this. It's really neat. Alright, some horses pulling this or what? This thing is over 100 years old. There's gotta be some horses pulling this shit. Wow. Wow. This is sick. Oh my god. So clean. Wow.
How are you? Good.
Jimmy's Crank and Spank. Wow. That's cool. Wow. Oops. Bought that for you. Look at you. This is cute. Oh my gosh, the windows are so small. Wow. Okay, you got a plug-in, you got CarPlay or what? Wow. Dude, look at this one. This one reminds me of Taco Bell. Taco Bell colors, you know. Love that. Okay, this one, I like this. This is like a darker version of in their color. Damn it. Right? That's nice.
Easy oil change.
Bro, for real. Is that the gas tank or the oil?
It's for the motor. The gas is back there.
Look at that. Oh, the gas tank's in the back? Wow. Oh, I love that. Look, looks like a bike tire because it's so fucking thin. A horseless carriage. Dude, I was joking about it, but I told you. This shit looks like...
Horseless carriage just means it's older than 40 or 45. That's all it means.
Oh. Well, still, it looks like... It still looks like something that a horse would pull. Look at this. This is cute. I like the color a lot. A little gym. Wow.
That black one, is it still there?
Yeah.
There's not enough leg room.
Times used to come in.
Really pretty color. Interesting. Look at these doors. Wow. Clean as condition. Oh my god. Wow. Shit's so taken care of, unlike my mental health. Damn. This would be a cute nail polish color, you know? Look at this. Let me see inside. Hey, look, they have a little mini version of them. That's hilarious. Oh, okay. Okay. Oh, they popped the trunk too. Oh, okay. Yeah. Look how much space there is that you're allowed to have, so you can change your own oil and shit like that. Do your own work, but like nowadays you can't even fucking do it yourself because they want you to take it to the dealership and spend your money. But back in the day, they didn't make shit like that, you know. Cute color. Cute. And then we got all the Mustangs on this side.
And I'll show you where I started, and you'll see the progression. You know. I feel it. I feel it. Artist. Thank you guys so much.
Oh. No. Whoa. Oh my gosh. Look, big ass tires. Okay, got the cage. Wow. The windows are small. That's crazy. We see the stripped one, and then the other side there's a very cleaned up version. Wow. This is a funny car. It's giving Raven from Teen Titans vibe. Just the color. Interesting. Batteries back there. Well, if this ain't the fucking smallest steering wheel I've ever fucking seen. What the hell? That's hilarious. my hand for reference. Like, what the fuck? $45,000 miles, that's it? On this 1971? That's insane. Good for you, dude. Beautiful color.
Thank you. Yeah, my father-in-law, before he passed away, said like 18 grand to get it repainted.
Oh, wow.
Yeah, this thing's never seen rain, man. It's never had a raindrop on it, dude.
That's awesome.
Yeah, if you pay that much to pay,
Yeah.
it's not going outside when it's raining.
Like, yeah, we were like, hey, if it was raining, because we pre-registered it, and we were like, if it's raining today, it's not coming out.
Oh. Okay, look at this one. Look how the door opens. Damn, that steering wheel whole thing's like cleaner than most people's bongs. Wow. 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 The narrow window. Sorry. Wow. Oh, look at this transition color.
Yeah. We drive, yeah.
What do you call that? Like ombre?
Yeah. We got nobody telling us what we need to do. Yeah. You're on your own. Yeah. Yeah.
Wow.
66 cents. Route 66, we come back on
That's interesting. Cute. That's crazy.
It's just a punch.
Look at that, the red, yeah. That's nice. Look at this little window. What the fuck? On the Thunderbird. Oh, it's bedazzled. Okay. Okay. Cute. 1929. Wow. Look at that. I'm so tired right now and I'm crusty, but I'm glad I have sunglasses because I slept late from making that pork belly video last night. I totally forgot to close up this video, but this is the vehicle that I entered in the show. It was fun. I think there was only 2 right-hand drive vehicles. It was the Nissan, the one with the cute mint color, and me. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. It was a cool car show, and I'll see you guys in my next video. And if you don't have me on Instagram, go follow me on Instagram. You'll see more of these kind of footages before I post my YouTube videos. But yeah, thanks for watching, guys. I hope you guys have a great day, night, whatever. Take care. Bye.
And he used to have a couple of